Women in Transport is a not-for-profit organisation, and we're launching the Wales Hub today as part of the network to encourage more women to work in the sector and to support those already working within organisations in transport. Absolutely delighted to have such a wonderful turnout today for this launch. It's really important to me. I'm really proud to be part of Women in Transport, proud to work in the transport sector, and it's just so wonderful to see so many wonderful women but also male allies here to support the event. As well as launching the Women in Transport Wales Hub today, we're launching our research report that we've conducted in partnership with Corateg. And this looks at where women are working in the transport sector in Wales, the barriers to entry and the issues they might be facing at the moment. And what that will allow us to do as a Wales Hub is to set some really strong objectives around how we're going to encourage more women into the sector and how we're going to work to support those already working in the sector.
I think this is a fantastic occasion, a really important issue. Really glad to see the hub being launched, and in particular to hear some of the stories and challenges facing women in our sector as we seek to create a more diverse workforce. For me in particular, the key thing that we need to take away from today is the role of men in this. We have a responsibility here to be part of the solution to a lot of these challenges, and for me I'd like to say to all of my fellow men out there, please do get involved in the Women in Transport Hub. There's lots we can do to be part of this solution, so please do. The little things make a big difference.
It's really important that we recognise and we celebrate diversity. That's really important to us at Transport for Wales, to ensure that we have got the right strategy, but also that we see that happening across all of our network, all of our roles within our business, and that people feel that they are included, and we start by making sure we create environments to support that inclusion and see that diversity across not only Transport for Wales but the whole of the transport industry.